Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some of the items from the folks over at GBFKE. So, as you can see, one of them is kind of big, so I'm just going to jump in. But before I do, if you could do a couple of things for me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Both of those help me out a lot. And if you're interested, check out the description box below and join us over on my Facebook group and my Facebook page, or you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Diamond Painting Anonymous over there. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smallest one first because why not? And I was actually kind of excited to get this one. I've not seen these before. These are metal tips, obviously, but they are like these weird kind of rainbowy colors. So it comes with the little elastic band spacers. There's extras because they're already on all of these. But look at these. Look at these little like rainbow hues. They're so, just such an interesting color. I had to, you know, they probably don't work any different than the other ones, but I just thought they were really pretty. So I wanted to get them and kind of try them out for myself. Now, I will say for me, typically the wells in these are not deep enough for my personal preference, but yeah, ooh, those might be thin enough walls that I might actually use those. I shall have to test them out and see. But you get this whole set plus the spacers, and these were only $6.75. So I thought that was kind of a steal, and I'm always looking for something new and fun, and I thought they'd be really pretty with some of the diamond painting pens. So got that. I'm gonna save the canvas for last. This is, as I'm sure you guys have seen, their diamond painting booklet, but I wanted to get it and try it because I have two portfolios, and one of them is actually full to pretty much bursting. I mean, it probably is that thick because I just have so many diamond paintings stacked up in it. And so what I thought was, I've started another one, but I had all those ones that I did from September, and I've got some from 2021 in that portfolio as well. And I thought, you know, I should have a 2021 portfolio, but also one of the things that makes mine so thick is that I did a lot of special diamond paintings that tend to be thicker because you have the taller drills. So I just thought I would get one of these and try it out. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my portfolio that's full. I'm going to make that my 2021, except for specials. I might leave the specials in there for 2021. I don't know. But then I might take out my 2022s and put them in my other one. I think my current portfolio only has like 2 paintings in it. Let me get this big bag off of here so we can see everything. This big plastic bag. Okay, there we go. Now we can see all of the pages in here. So I thought maybe I would use this one for my special paintings, so they don't take up as much room as they do in the other portfolio, and I would just have them all in here. So this is the A3 size in green, and this was $12.45. It's got 30 pockets in it, so I will only get 30 paintings in here. Now, my other flat paintings, I will double up, so there's one on each side, so I could get 60. But because I'm probably going to be using this one for the special ones with the thicker drills because of all the special sizes, then I probably won't get nearly that many in there. Okay, and then the last item here, let me move that out of the way, is a canvas. And let's see what I got. Oh, the material is nice and thin. I like that. I like when it's thin because then you can roll it up really easily. Got a little bit of a crease in it there. Okay, escaped drill. So we get our standard kit. Oh, the tray didn't survive. Tray. So we get boat, plate of wax, pink pin. I will just probably toss that one because it's broken. And then we have our drills. Okay, so Let me get rid of that piece of it, and let's look at the canvas. It is, surprise, surprise, I know, another mandala, but I just thought it would be really pretty. And so it's a 30 by 30. So let's measure and see if it's actually a 30 by 30. It is 24.5 by 25. So it's probably actually 25 because there's like some puckering in there that I'm not accounting for. So it's 25 by 25. Okay. And we've got 11 different colors, and it has the codes. So I'm super excited about that because I have our 2 color codes, and then the rest of these are all special drills. So M, I'm going to guess, is a marquee shaped. And then we've got some YXs that are also a marquee. And then we've got some teardrop, looks like. I'm not sure what that one is. And then we've got maybe some larger rounds that go in some of these other colors here. So it's nice and sticky. So let's look at our drills and see what our drills look like. So they come in baggies. So if you need baggies, then they're already all set up for you. So that's nice. Okay, so let's see what we've got. So we get some clear rhinestones. We get yellow. Then we get, some large, just like flat black browns. Some orange browns. Some red browns. And then we get some larger clear iridescent browns. Some just clear marquee shaped small ones. And then we get these kind of blue peacocky iridescent marquee slivers. Some blue marquee small ones. Some kind of yellow gold iridescent marquee shaped, and then some very small gold marquee shaped. So some pretty cute colors and shapes in there, and hopefully some more that I get to add to my little spreadsheet that I'm making with all of these special drill codes. And yeah, it's cute. I can't wait to see how this one turns out. Okay, so this one is $5.87. So just to recap, we've got this, the mandala, we got the portfolio book, and then we got the really pretty kind of rainbow prism tips. And as always, I will put links in the description below to all of these so you can check them out and look at all the pretty things. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.